This PC doesn't meet the minimum requirements to install this version of Windows. I think this USB stick is useless. Or probably not. Let's imagine you created a bootable USB drive with Windows 11 using Media Creation Tool, Microsoft official utility. But in the installation process, you realize that your laptop doesn't meet Windows 11 system requirements. Yes, that's awful. But don't worry, my friend, because I'm going to show you how to bypass Microsoft system requirements even if you already created such a bootable USB stick. Stay tuned. My friends, let's get into it. This is USB stick with bootable Windows 11. I will insert it into my laptop. Okay, we are in the installation window. Let's click next. Install now. If you have a license key, you can enter it here, and if you want to activate Windows later, I will select I don't have a product key. You can decide which edition will suit you the best. I will select Windows 11 Pro. Click next. Yep, we see this unhappy message. This PC doesn't meet the minimum requirements to install this version of Windows. Don't worry, my friend, because right now I'm going to fix this problem. You need to go back, click here, then you need to press Shift plus F10. So you can press Shift, then F10, and voila, you will see the command line. Then you need to type next, regedit. Press enter. In this window you need to find HKey local machine, click on it, then find system, scroll down a little bit until you will see setup. Click on the right mouse button, select new key. Very important, you need to type LabConfig. Be sure to type it correctly, LabConfig. After this process, you need to click on the right size, click on the right mouse button and select the word 32-bit value. After that, you need to type next, bypass TPM check. Bypass TPM check. Okay, one more time, click on the right mouse button, select new the word 32-bit value, but this time you need to type bypass CPU check. Bypass CPU check, click on the right mouse button, select this option, and then type next, bypass secure boot check. Bypass secure boot check. Understood. So you need to create these three files and type bypass TPM check, bypass CPU check, bypass secure boot check. Also, if you don't have enough of RAM, you can repeat the same process, select the word 32-bit value and type bypass RAM check. Bypass RAM check. But that's not all. After all this process, you need to double clicking on each of these files and type 1, value data 1. Be sure to select this option, click OK, and repeat after me. OK, and the last file, bypass RAM check, OK. And actually that's all, we bypass Microsoft system requirements. Now we can close this Windows, also close the command line, select Windows Edition, I will select Windows 11 Pro, click Next, and voila! Now you can install Windows 11 without any problem, even if you have unsupported laptop or PC. Everything works. So guys, if this video was useful for you, please like it. And if you want to update from Windows 10 to Windows 11 and you have unsupported PC, definitely I recommend to click here on this video.